Depression is harder for smart people. And that's not the pain of having a bigger brain, although that could be part of it. Depression is usually by definition a lack of physical energy. Persistent feelings of sadness or hopelessness, a general loss of interest in activities. It could look like changes in appetite, changes in your ability to fall asleep. And it comes from a combination of many factors. They could be genetic, it could be environmental, it could be neurobiological. However, for most people, it manifests in a seemingly endless trove of negative thoughts that they just can't control. Now, I talk a lot on this channel about how depression is the absolute low end of the physical energy spectrum. And any kind of treatment procedure that's going to work, right, needs to be centered around a lifestyle overhaul. One of the main hurdles you're going to face in overcoming depression, however, is this overvaluing, right, an excessive overvaluing of the negative thoughts that you experience. A smarter person is far more likely to become saturated in this excessive flow of negative thoughts. And they continue to stay there because that's what we do, right? We think. We're supposed to think. Oh, the problem is, right, this imbalance that we're experiencing in our hormones that's causing us to feel this way is not something that you're going to reason your way out of. You have to quite literally turn away from reason and go all in on the habit patterns that are going to raise your baseline physical energy. And whether you want to call it deep thinking, whether you want to call it obsessive thinking, if you find it difficult to turn off that thinking and focus on physical habits, you might find that depression is much more difficult for you.